Hello friends, welcome back to our channel TECHIES. I'm Anuj Rana, and today in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you make your Instagram account private. Generally people ask me this question. They have their account but usually they feel someone is stalking on their account. They don't want to send their post and their videos whatever they are uploading on their Instagram. They don't want to make it public. They want to keep it only up to their friends. If you're also looking for this resolution for the same problem, then this is the right video. This video is for you actually. So let's start the video. So I have my Instagram application downloaded over here in my Android phone. You can also download your application of Instagram, and please make sure that you should have the current version. So what you need to do is first of all open your Instagram application. It will bring you to the home page. Then you need to click on the profile icon, which is on the bottom right side. And after clicking that, you will be landed on your profile page. Now over here you see the three horizontal bars on the top. You need to tap on that. After that you need to come to the settings option. From settings you need to come to the privacy option, which is the third one. From this privacy option, you see the first option over here which says private account, and this option is disabled. Now you need to enable this account. It will ask you again, would you like to make this account private? You need to press this on the blue bar which says switch to private, and it will give you another message, want to review your followers. I don't want to do that. Let's press cancel on it, and your job is done. Your account has been become private. Now only your friends and your followers can see your account. It's not a public account anymore now. So if this video was really helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. And if you want us to make any other video on any other social media platform, if you're facing any kind of technical issue, just let us know that. I really appreciate if you can like this video and follow our channel, press the bell notification and get all latest updates from us. All right. So guys, wish you a very good luck and have a nice day. Goodbye.